Kuma riria homa ya COVID-19 yehadire guku bururi-ini maundu maingi makoretwo marugamite, mamwe mamo ari magongona ma kanitha. Kuringana na muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa ACK Jackson Ole Sapit, ida ni ikinyu makanitha makoro makihingurwo gukwa kiuria thirikari igathike mitaratara iria kurumirwo ni aria megucokereria makanitha-ini. Kuringana na Sapit, oria thirikari yanereire kuhingurwo kwa imwe ya mikawa, noguo na makanitha magirwo ni kuheo mweke wa gutwarithia na mbere magongona mao.
Gatherings should still be avoided at all costs. And for us in the church, if there is a way that the government can allow churches to even operate in the open air so that we are not confined in a building, we can still gather in a compound like this one and people stand at a distance and a sermon is delivered.
Ole Sapit ni ureti aria makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kwitana na homeno metekire kugia na wigiririkia wira-ini wao na gwethema kuthira kigena kia muingi uru.
This is a pandemic that is going to affect all of us and we need the best accountability system that we can be able to account for every resources provided, not only financial resources but also time, skills, resources and everything that everybody is putting on the table to fight COVID-19.
Kuma riria ripoti ya mbere ya homeno yandikithirio guku bururi-ini, makanitha maingi makoretwo makihunia rumiriri o kiroho kugerera mitambo ya kiriu niguo gwethema kugomana hamwe mari andu aingi ari njira ya kurigiriria gutherema kwa homeno ya COVID-19.
That whenever we gather, we will be able to gather our energy in praise and in adoration of the God we praise and believe and trust in.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV mohoro gitauri tore kwa Nugari wa Kamau.